In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table in Google Sheets, which is incredibly useful for both teachers and students alike. Whether you're organizing class schedules, tracking student progress, or simply managing your data more efficiently, learning how to create a table in Google Sheets will make your tasks easier and more organized. Let's dive right into the process. First, we'll begin by opening a new Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive, clicking on New, and selecting Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can also go directly to the Google Sheets homepage and click on the plus sign to create a new spreadsheet. Once you have your sheet open, you'll see a blank canvas of rows and columns ready for you to input your data. Next, identify the data you'd like to organize into a table. Once your data is ready, you'll need to highlight all the cells that contain or will contain your data. Simply click and drag across the cells, making sure you cover the entire range you intend to include in your table. This step is crucial as it determines which data gets styled into a well-organized table format, enhancing readability and accessibility. With your range of data highlighted, let's proceed by clicking on the Format option located at the top of the toolbar. This drop-down menu provides numerous formatting options, but don't worry, our focus here is simple. Now, in the Format drop-down menu, you'll want to look for the option that says Convert to Table. Click on this, and you'll see your data transform from plain rows and columns into a neatly organized table. This function adjusts the visual formatting to add features like headers, alternating row colors, and other stylistic touches that make it easy to read and comprehend your data. After your sheet converts, you might want to customize the table's appearance further. You can use the Format pane to adjust text alignment or change the font style if needed. This makes it easier for users to quickly analyze information at a glance. Remember, clean and well-presented data is key to effective communication, especially in educational settings. Creating tables in Google Sheets not only facilitates easier data entry, but also streamlines data analysis. Tables serve as the backbone of comprehensive spreadsheets, allowing both teachers and students to approach assignments and projects with structured clarity. I hope this tutorial makes the process of creating a table in Google Sheets clear and manageable. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or just looking for tips to optimize your workflow, this method will certainly enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore further functionalities within Google Sheets that can cater to your specific needs. Happy spreadsheeting!